We're having our shallow subsurface geophysics class today out in the field. So we're using 4 different tools. We can see a group of students working with the ground penetrating radar. So they're moving the GPR card. We could use ground penetrating radar for identifying different targets at a shallower depth, utility pipes to underground tunnels or burials, which is forensic geoscience and also of some interest to anthropology. This group of the students, they are using the gravity meter, measuring the Earth's gravitational field and the relative changes. Group on the far side, we can see that they are working with the magnetometer, so measuring the total magnetic field, and then later we'll analyze the data. On the other side, we're going to start recording some seismic data along that line that we can see those black cables. With a geology degree, you can go to work for water agencies, environmental agencies, engineering, construction companies, hydrocarbon exploration areas, also geologic modeling, tectonics.
Practicing with the equipment and actually getting to know how the work will be, I think is what really helps in the program.